Hey guys, what's up? How was your weekend so far? Today it's Sunday here in London and everywhere on the planet, but with different kind of hours. It's crazy in London now. It's 12 p.m. proper summer in London for 2 months. It's just 30 degrees. Is like I never seen this before. It's crazy. I had kind of a rough week. I'm right now transitioning between head of design to product ownership and a lot of things to learn. It's a bit different, so my brain starts to boil in the end of the week. But I learn every day something new, and that's pretty awesome. Today I have 5 tips for you that I follow and brought me 2 promotions in a year, and when I was working as a full-time freelancer, a lot of good relationship with my clients, and with some of them I'm still in touch. Here we go. Number 1, do not joke about your work. Your work is your identity. Remember, at first, no one gives a shit about you or your business. They care about the value you provide for them. This may sound harsh, but that's the reality. For example, you are not watching this video because of you saw my logo and you said, oh, nice logo, or because you see my face and you say how cool this guy is or whatever. No, you are watching this because of the 5 tips, which is a value that I provide for you. So it's the same principle with your clients. Be serious, and when you promise that you deliver it. If you have an event in your life and you can't work with that client anymore, you cannot continue because XYZ motives, try to tell them beforehand or look for someone else as a designer you know that you can recommend to them. Do not let your clients in limbo and poof, disappear in a magic smoke, because we are not magicians. Number 2, empathy. Come on. You love it when someone understands you, right? You feel like you have a rapport with that person. Well, empathy, it's super important because your clients are people too. So put yourself in their shoes. We all have challenges, no matter if you are a small business or a big business. If you understand your clients, it will be easier for you to understand how they make decisions. And actually, understanding how they make decisions gives you the opportunity to bring more value to them further than just the design aspects. I see empathy like the gatekeeper to trust. The most enjoyable projects I worked on were with clients that they trust me and I could trust them. Period. Another perspective about how you can see empathy, ask yourself, would I hire me to work with myself? Number 3, do the best work you can for your client. I mean, hey Martin, you know the homepage I made for you? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, take your laptop, go to 4th floor, open the window, and jump. The page will gonna get better on the way down. I promise you. We all have been in a situation when the client is not a good fit and you did work just to get rid of him. You cannot love everyone and not everyone will gonna love you. So if you have a client that is not a good fit for you, focus on the project and not on the client. Do the best work you can, and when the job is done, move away in a very polite way, because you want to be remembered as a good designer. And who knows, he can recommend you further. It's important to do your best because that work will gonna go in your portfolio and you're gonna attract better clients. If you do work that you cannot put in your portfolio because you rushed it out and it's shit and you don't want to present it, you kind of lost time. Number 4, the extra mile. Let's say you have been established a relationship with your client. Be nice and time to time do something nice for them. Even if it's a little thing. If you made their logo, for example, and you have paid just to do that logo, create a business card or a flyer or something, you know, that can be a bonus for them. Because in the end of the day, it's not about the value of the item itself. All this thing will be a symbol of appreciation and respect towards them. This can lead to bigger projects with your client in the future. Number 5, do not ask before deliver. This ask and receive game can break relationships fast. If you ask more than you give, they will see you like a ripoff and they're gonna get rid of you. I will get a bit philosophical here, but like everything in life, it's not about what you desire or you need, it's about what you deserve. Do you deserve to be paid better? Do you deserve to work for that kind of projects? Do you deserve to work for that client? If the answer is yes, you know that you cannot ask for something before you prove worthy. Actually, the best way of asking is by not asking at all, but to put yourself in a position to receive. In order to do that, you need to deliver more value than your clients thought you will. Quite simple. But be sure that you are not bringing on the table things that you value, but what they value. Remember, it's not about you here, it's about them. If you do that, you're gonna be surprised in time, because good things are gonna come towards you. You just need to be patient a bit. If you really think you gave the value that they value and you get nothing in return, no sign of appreciation and things like that, then you need to reconsider your value points. And if that's alright and it's in place, then now might the client tries to rip you off. That's it. 5 tips to make your life easier with your clients. And if you are aware about these tips all the time, I guarantee you're gonna have an easier journey to success. If you think I brought some value for you, please subscribe. I'm trying to create now every week a video about design, and I will appreciate your support. Cheers and see you around.